Pag-uusapan natin ang top 10 frequently asked questions about IMG. FAQ number 1. Sino o ano nga ba ang IMG? Ang IMG or International Marketing Group is a financial brokerage company that is highly regulated by the Insurance Commission. Also, IMG is a community of savers, investors, and entrepreneurs. Isa itong komunidad ng mga taong gustong maging financially successful. Ang focus ng organization is to continuously promote financial literacy through our financial classes, and pwedeng may apply kaagad ang natutunan dahil may mga partner companies tayo na merong products and services na swak sa ating financial needs. Our campaign and mission is to educate 30 million families by 2030. FAQ number 2. Who are with us in this campaign? Aside sa IMG members, kasama din natin sila Tito Boy Abunda, Corina Sanchez Rojas, Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan, Rex Mendoza, Brother Bo Sanchez, and many more. FAQ number 3. Who are the founders of IMG? IMG was founded nila Joanne, Bart, Noel na mga unang financial mentors din ni Brother Bo Sanchez. They founded IMG more than 20 years ago dahil they are also part of a community in the US called WFG, World System Builder, na financial education din ang pinopromote. E nakita nila na mas nangangailangan nito ang mga Pilipino. That's why naitayo ang IMG. FAQ number 4. Ano ang matututunan ko sa financial classes ng IMG? Actually, marami. Especially practical topics and simplified discussions on how to increase your cash flow or how to increase your income and manage your expenses. How to pay off your debt, how to build a strong financial foundation, how to build wealth for your family, how to invest, and how to secure your retirement. Lahat ng dapat mong matutunan about personal finance ay nandito na sa IMG. FAQ number 5. What are the IMG benefits? As of today, we have 48 benefits katulad ng free financial classes, discounts on financial products and services, and marami pang iba. Hanapin sa description box ng video na ito ang link para ma-review ang 48 membership benefits. FAQ number 6. What are the best savings programs offered by IMG's partner companies? Ang top 3 recommended programs, number 1, Soldivo Mutual Fund Investment, which is kasama na sa iyong IMG membership. Number 2, Manila Bankers Life Most 18. Isa itong affordable term insurance na kahit ang 30 years old can get a 1 million coverage for only 6,000 annually. Number 3, ang pinaka-best and highly recommended na kailangang unahin ay ang Kaiser Long-Term Care Savings, because it's an all-in-one savings program na mayroong long-term healthcare, life insurance, mutual fund investment, and burial benefit. I also made a video about Kaiser. Hanapin lang sa description box ng video na ito. FAQ number 7. How to join IMG? Magkano ang membership? There are 2 options to become a member, which is basic membership and advanced associate membership. Ang basic membership is only 6,000 pesos. May access ka na sa top 48 membership benefits, especially free financial classes, 100,000 accident insurance, 50,000 burial benefit, and mutual fund account. If nasa abroad ka naman and you want international code para mas maraming benefit, nasa around $180 lang, you can check the site para sa exact amount. Ang advanced associate membership is 12,382. Bali, member ka ng IMG and meron ka ng Kaiser K100 plan that will give you at least 1 million healthcare fund 20 years from now. Pero ang K100 plan is not the minimum or the highest plan. You can still choose anong plan ang gusto mong kunin. If you want to pay annually, pwede rin. Basta ang associate membership is kailangan member ka ng IMG and meron kang Kaiser. Pwede kang magsimula with a basic membership muna, pero mas highly recommended yung advanced membership kasi magiging associate ka na dahil meron ka ng Kaiser Savings. FAQ number 8. Paano kumita ng income sa IMG? Dito sa IMG, you earn income from every person you help enroll and start their savings program katulad ng Kaiser. Kaya nga meron tayong system na join, own, share, earn. Kasi when you join IMG and you own a savings program, magiging associate member ka and meron ka ng 20% contract. Ibig sabihin, kapag may natulungan kang mag-save, meron kang commission na 20% as an associate. Kasunod naman nun ay ang pagiging marketing director. Your contract will increase to 37%. Next is to become Senior Marketing Director or SMD. Your contract will increase to 47%. Ibig sabihin, the more you help people, the more you get promoted and the bigger your contract. So talagang lalaki din yung income mo. In fact, by becoming a Senior Marketing Director, you will earn an average 50,000 per month as a newbie financial educator dito sa IMG. And yun na nga, the income is just a result of helping families become financially educated and secured. The more people you help, the more income you will earn. FAQ number 9, kaya ko bang gawin ang IMG? Kayang-kaya. Wala rin akong alam sa business before. Hindi rin ako financially educated. Pero naging successful ako dahil sa system. And maraming mentors na pwedeng makapagturo sa'yo. In fact, merong community na talagang tutulong sa'yo. At the same time, we have a lot of trainings that will really equip you. You only need to invest time to learn. Magpaturo ka lang, trabahuin natin, and your life will completely change. Tulad ko, natulungan lang din. Dating walang savings, maraming utang, maliit ang income, pero ngayon may savings and investments and debt-free na. And also, I'm earning 6-figure income because of IMG. Kung nakaya ko, makakaya mo rin kasi nandito naman ako, nandito naman kami, tutulong sa'yo. FAQ number 10, how to get started. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Fill out the forms, deposit your membership and initial investment to IMG account, and i-message mo ako so that I can assist you. Or if merong nag-send sa'yo ng video na to, nararapat lang na sa kanya ka magpa-assist. Kaya nga i-message mo siya. After i-process ang iyong applications, you will receive emails from IMG and Kaiser and magkakaroon ka na ng access sa IMG portal. Next step is to proceed on your Fast Start training kasama ang iyong trainer. Ang pinakamahalaga ay magpa-assist ka lang sa taong nag-send sa'yo ng video na to, or if napunta ka sa aking YouTube channel randomly, you can message me so that we can discuss more.